Hello, is this your first time trading on Bybit? Are you planning on trading on Bybit, or do you want to enter the crypto space? I want to know how to sell your coin on Bybit. Well, on today's episode, I'll be giving you a full details on how to sell your coin on Bybit completely. Believe me, you are getting this from someone who have done thousands of sales, both buying and selling, thousands of it in the crypto market. Yes, you're getting this from someone who have done merchants for different crypto apps. Yes, well, on this episode we are going to use Bybit because it's what most Nigerians choose now to sell their coin because of the good rate and the fast payment. Well, none are getting to be merchant, and when you're selling on your Bitcoin, you need to be very careful because the government doesn't approve the cryptocurrency in the Nigerian market. Because of that, we are having issues of people making payment wrongly, people sending you fake payments that will end up blocking your accounts or making your bank call you, tell you this, tell you that, and people writing some annoying references on their payments. Well, these are three things you should note before you sell your coin in Bybit. One, you need to check if the person has record, check your reviews, if the person has record of having bank issues. Like when someone, you check the reviews, whether anybody complain in the red side, whether anybody complain that, oh, this person paid me and my bank called me. Number two, when someone pays you and the name doesn't align, because also as merchants, sometimes our normal bank only allows 5 million, so we use corporate account, use our brother's account, use our friend's account. We have multiple accounts in which we have access to. So make sure that the name and the name person pays you align, because once you have an issue, that is very clear. Oh, this is a third party account, this person has this person's account. It's just as though you get. So in the sense that the name doesn't rhyme, you need to ask for a slip, a receipt from the sender, and no matter who the person is, he or she must give you a full receipt, and make sure that the names correspond. Or even if it is, can still ask for CAC to be sure the person have the right to send the CAC for you, so to be confirmed or you're in the safe zone. So these are the two. And the third one is, when you're selling on Bybit, make sure you confirm your payment. A lot of you will just maybe urge, or you're outside, you don't want to delay. It's better you delay, because once you release that money and your money is not complete and is not accurate, the person will not take concern you again. Because those boys, apart from the ones that sells outside Bybit, the people are buying and sell by making only 100 naira, 1,000, just this little margin. That's how they make their money. You understand that they make their money. So once those kind of opportunity come, they grab it, and they run it away, like in King James Version. So guys, these are the things you should absolutely watch out for. Well, now I'm going to be showing you how to trade on Bybit like a pro. Yes, like a pro. Yes, from your amateur to the Bybit. Just watch this, save it, share it to someone that's interested in selling he or her coin on Bybit. So guys, let's dive in. This is my Bybit account. It's a real Bybit account. I just logged in now. It's not a demo. This is my live account. Once you click on assets, see your asset by your done. Click on the asset down right. Now see the correct account. For you to transfer, you need to set the money. Make sure the money is in your funding. If in your funding, that then can do the P2P. If it's not in your funding, you can do P2P. Click on the transfer there. Normally, once you finish trading from BTC to USDT or BTC to any currency, or someone send you BTC to be in the trading account. So this is where you convert it to funding, whereby you put the trading account up, then put the funding down. So the money can go from your trading account to your funding account. Then you put the currency in the coin. Put USDT, put any currency. I basically use USDT so to avoid wahala and errors. Now click on max or any amount. Then you send it out. Now it's not in my trading account. It was in funding, I send it in trading. Now this will not work because it's in trading account. Let me show you why it will not work. See, we showing zero because it's in trading account. Let's go to the click on the sell. I see different sellers. All these 118. To know the current rate on the market, once you on buy, those first amounts 15, some that is the original rate. Those are give rate above that one. Those ones are scam. They will not even have Nigerian bank. they'll take payment in cash. So you come to sell. These are similar rate to the rate in the buy. Once you are here, the first thing you check, you click on leave a review. You click on the seller, on the price, click on the seller, leave a review, then click on bad. Leave this good, click on bad, read it. Too slow. Now make sure you check those 3 details I told you about. Now there's something like food. That's going to hide their worst comment. Make sure you click on that food to make sure that we see all their bad reviews. So that is it, guys. Now see, it's on 00. See, it's 00 because it's in trading account, it's not in funding. You understand? It's in trading, not in funding. Now we'll go back to our account. I'll go back to our account, then change it from, you can say it's still in 00. Which means the money is not in our funding account, it's in our trading account. Now go back to our this thing. Once we go back there, we'll be able to change it from, I'll click on transfer. I see it's in trading but not in funding. Now click on transfer. Now carry trading up. See this arrow that is rotating. Put trading now. Now transfer it from trading account to funding. See where the money is. Yeah, so now click on mass. Then confirm. Yes. Now it's in funding account. Now we can trade our money successfully. Now we go back on home, click on P2P. See the 150 to 150. Let's take the right rate of the market, not those 18. Those ones are scam. They can hold your coin, they can do fake receipt, they can do just run away from them. All these ones run away from them. All those that don't know anything about Bybit say, wow, C18, C17. That's not the market rate. The market rate is one down. And make sure the price. Check the limit. The limit is not which person that is selling the same rate you want. The limit is the lowest rate they can buy. 50k, come down to someone that is selling 50k. If it's 100k, come down to someone that is selling 100k. And some of them might have finished selling before, as I showed installation ad, because it's a like 20 seconds countdown. Now you come down. I want to trade about like 3 million or 5 million or so. So see, click on bad review. You want to click it, now click on leave a review, then click on bad, read it. Slow. He reported my account and make my bank account to freeze. This is what I'm telling you guys about. See what I'm telling you guys about. Be careful about this. Yes, now you click on leave a review, click on bad. See, I don't know what this FID mean. It's very disrespectful. So those ones are normal. They are different human beings. So this one is okay. You click on food. That food review is slow, which is also a good person to trade with. Fooded reviews are identified through big data analysis as having low conversion rate, low transaction volume, or being off-limited. Just was on high some kind. So this guy is a good person to sell with. Tony Duke. See, he buys mostly from Bybit, but he doesn't sell in Bybit. That's what I'm telling you about. These people, they are the best people to trade with because they don't buy and sell in Bybit, so they have account issues. Because they hardly sell their coin on Bybit, so nobody's actually giving them fake money or bringing fake money into the system. Now I'll sell for this person. I'll sell about 5 million or so. Okay, it's on my bank. 2,300. I think see, I've sold 4,956,930 to this guy, Salman Rabi Mohammed. Now you need to read their terms and conditions. Wow, we are paid. They paid really fast. Because they really ask for number, so they can easily call you to release. So you just give them your number. I was surprised they don't really pay this fast. Unless you're just waiting for me. So they will just click pay before they will go and pay. Now I read their transaction. Read my terms before you open trade with me. Please don't open trade if you are not satisfied. I pay don't open trade with me. Payment from corporate accounts. Drop phone number. Don't pay money point. Can you provide another mark if mistaken or by it support will cancel your trade? Don't ask me to cancel trade because I don't. Traders. See, these are actually terms and conditions, which is actually okay because them they also protecting themselves too and just trying to make money. I know bank limit in Nigeria, so let's wait till the money comes to my account. So this is basically how you trade on Bybit. Once you enter here, put your number. They always ask for number. So now we just wait for the money to come in. As the money come in, then we are good to go. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you find this video educative, and share it and let us know your trading experience on Bybit or any platform, Binance, KuCoin, anyone. Just let us know your experience with Bybit. If you have a bad experience trading, and if you have money issue, and if you guys comment, I'll tell you how to resolve a. So see, he has paid me. He has gotten the alert. He has paid me. See, he has paid me. Perfect. This is a live trade, guys. This is a live trade. So guys, as you see, it's a live trade. This is a live trade, guy. So guys, this, if you have comments, if you have a bad issue, and if you guys comment, if I get up to 50 comments, I will be giving you 50 comments or 50 subscribers from this video. I'll be doing a video on how to settle a Bybit P2P issue, that is where they report to you or say payment is not complete or payment is not received, or how you can resolve it, and how you play safe and be on best behavior. So guys, now you ask for drop payment receipt because he pays from a third-party account. You need to ask for this, especially when you see that the name that they paid you and the name of this is not the same thing. Yeah, ask for a receipt. Be on safe zone. Just know whether it's a fake receipt. So in case your money has issue, first place you run to is to the bank. Once you run, first thing the bank will ask you for the receipt, and for the receipt they check the SSID, tracking ID of the payment. So guys, that is the end. The guy paid with the right account. The name was linked to it when I checked it again. So that was why I didn't really continue the video to the end. So hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and watch my next video and share with somebody, guys. I have interesting videos on my page. Subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.